Home. There's no place like it. Follow me, experienced talker Nick Offerman, as I take you on a globe-trotting, time-traveling journey through the history of home. Where to begin? Yes. Take an intimate look at houses of fame.
This is one of Henry VIII's many homes.
Hearst Castle.
Edison has this study
where Mark Twain did most of his writing.
This house was so important to Virginia Woolf.
And acclaim.
They haven't found a house like this before.
It is intended to impress.
That required incredible engineering and incredible genius.
Now that is some beautiful woodwork. We head from caves.
But in those days, of course, everything was about survival.
To castles.
They had done well for themselves and they were going to let the world know.
And to the shelters of tomorrow.
We learned how we can start to think about living on another planet.
An intoxicating mix of old and new. Our homes embody our environment.
We have a lot more water in our urban fabric.
Our history.
If you get close enough to some of the bricks, you can still see fingerprints.
And ourselves.
There's the building itself, but there's the heart that goes into it. It's a place that has soul.
It's time to answer the eternal question, what makes a house a home? The history of home, exclusively on Curiosity Stream.